most of you know what the rest of that stuff was, but what is this? Someone contacted me and wanted to send me this light and let me do a review on it. So I got it. And I get it opened up here. Get this plastic off here. Don't need that. Oh, wow. It's LED lights. It's a three-way LED light. And they fold down. Pretty cool. Almost looks like a fan, but it's not. And this just screws into a light socket. Like a standard light socket in like your garage or maybe your bedroom. If you just got regular light bulbs in there instead of LEDs, this here just screws into that. Then it converts it over and has these really bright LEDs. The only problem is, in my shop, I don't have a light socket like this. Everything I have is fluorescent lamp fixtures. I didn't know this is how it hooked up when they sent it to me. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to install one of those little porcelain light sockets. Kind of dark in here with all the lights out. Let's just see how bright this thing here really is. Wow, that's bright. Whoa, don't look at it. It's bright. But it is what I really need here. Because sometimes I'm working on some stuff, there's just not enough light. I got a fluorescent light over there and I got one over there. They're not above my bench. And I want my bench right here. So I have an extra light now. Just as long as I remember not to look up at it, I'll be fine because it will blind you when you look at those LED lights up there. And that's how it looks if the light's on with the normal fluorescent lights. That don't look too bad. Am I glaring you with my head? Well, I guess that's about it for this here. I would say this light here is an awesome light. It's bright. It puts out a lot of light. You can adjust it to make it go, out farther 3 different ways. The only thing is you got to have a screw-in socket for it. Well, I guess that's it for now. I just thought I'd put this little video together showing you this light here. I think it's a pretty cool little light. I think they're like $29 or something. I'll leave a link down in the description for it so you can get it off Amazon. I have dealt with this company before. They are the ones that sent me the lights that I put on the front of my golf cart. And those are bright. I still need to do a review on those. So maybe I can do that next. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, like it. Hey, if you need a light for your garage, or maybe your little crafting room or something, hey, get this one right here. This puppy is bright. See ya!